Hey everyone, want to do a quick demo here. This is an Akai GX255. I just went through, cleaned all the pots and switches with deoxit D5, and then after a 24-hour dry deoxit fader lube. So all the knobs and switches have been cleaned. The Capstan motor has been disassembled and lubricated with AMSOIL. The real motors have been disassembled, and the grease in the roller bearings up front have been freshened up, and in the bushing in the rear of the motor has been lubricated also with AMSOIL. The machine has been fully disassembled and cleaned. The signal board, the sound signal processing board has been updated. So all the electrolytic capacitors have been replaced in that using Elness Silmic 2 capacitors as a replacement. It's a good quality capacitor. Also, all the C458 transistors have been removed and replaced with an updated transistor, as well as the 2SC 945, which are used in switching and also some signal applications, with an updated, better transistor. Went ahead and aligned everything using before I forget, the Capstan servo transistor has also been replaced with an updated transistor. Speed's been set with an MRL calibration tape, and the heads were aligned using a TAC alignment tape, 4-track alignment tape. So everything is working real nice on it. Let's do a quick recording demo here. I apologize for the music. Isn't it great? So obviously that's with the sound going onto the tape. That's coming off of the tape. Again, let's do that again. That's what you hear coming off of YouTube. When I flip the switch up, it's coming off of the tape. Testing 1 2. Mic check. Left channel. Testing 1 2 3. Right channel. Testing 1 2 3. All right, and that's the end of the tape. Now, when we're during play, let's just rewind here. Let's listen to what we just did. Testing 1 2. Mic check. Left channel. Testing 1 2 3. Right channel. Testing 1 2 3. And obviously this is an automatic reversing tape deck for playback. This will, using sensing foil on the outside of the tape, once it hits the arm here, it'll trigger a reverse, and we'll start playing backwards all the way to the other side of the tape. Playback only. Yeah, it'll record in one direction, but it'll play back the entire tape, front to back. This tape deck is very similar to the 266-2, which is probably my favorite 7-inch reel. It has light-up buttons, one-touch operation. And here's pause. You can see, hopefully you can see that with the light, but the light will be flashing when the pause is in use. And obviously the record. It's 2 speeds, 7.5 and 3 3/4. It's very typical. new counterbelt. This particular deck, again, like the 266, the meter lamps, the original meter lamps have a shade of green to them. The needles for the meters actually are green, as well as the counter numbers are green as well. They're really cool looking decks. It's all one-touch operation, which means so during rewind you can pick a direction and play. Pinch roller's in good shape. It's the original one. It cleaned up real nice. Still a lot of life left in there. I can't really think of a whole lot of. There's not really any home run scratches on the thing. It's in really good shape. One thing to note is the output knob is not the original knob, but it's about the same size. It looks really good. They pop up on eBay every once in a while. Also, this lower piece, it had a crack right here on the original. When it's put on right, I spun the thing around and made it work so you don't see this big crack here anymore. You see these panels come up on eBay every once in a while. It's the same panel used on the 620 and the 625. So as people part these things out, they will become available. Even the output knobs are you see come up every once in a while. It's pretty common that they're snapped off. But this deck's ready to go. Somewhere over here there was the side panels are in great shape too. But there was can't remember where it is. There's a little scuffing here. You probably can't see it in the video, but that's okay. There are pictures on eBay for it. And then there's a little crack up here on the top corner. But anyways, that's about it. I'm going to quit rambling. These are great little decks. They sound really good. It passed 20 to 20k hertz, no problem, flat. It's pretty impressive with the glass heads. Anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. You guys take care. Be safe.